Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
If you are struggling with hard water stains and limescale buildup on your faucets, sinks, tubs, showers, all over your bathroom, or even in your kitchen if you have a stainless steel faucet and sink, today I have a brilliant hack for you. These before shots show you the current situation, and you will see by the end of this video how sparkling clean everything will be. Limescale and water stains are a never-ending fight, but today I equip you with the best weapon against them, so stay tuned! Even if your bathroom is clean, the buildup can make it look dirty and is incredibly difficult to scrub away. Typically a result of hard water, calcium buildup looks white and crusty, attaching itself to faucets and drains and accumulating inside appliances. I spray the secret product that I put into a spray bottle. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub with a sponge. You saw I wrote power and shine on it because it really has power and makes the surfaces shiny. I let it sit on the sink area and the bathtub area, then scrub everything. I cannot tell you the smell of this product. It smells so good, I don't even know with what to compare it, but it really smells amazing. It perfumed the entire bathroom. Cleaning your bathroom may not be one of the tasks you look forward to, but it is an essential home task. When you use a different product or tool or something exciting, the cleaning becomes more appealing, not the usual boring thing. The benefits of keeping your bathroom clean. Get rid of smell. The smell in your bathroom can be pretty bad if you don't clean it. By regularly cleaning around the sink, toilet and floors, you will keep your bathroom fresh and welcoming. Remove bacteria. A bathroom is a perfect place for bacteria to grow. Since there is constant moisture present, it represents a suitable environment for bacteria reproduction. Bacteria will get everywhere. Make sure to use an appropriate disinfectant in order to get rid of all dangerous bacteria. Prevent bathroom mold. If you don't clean it enough, bathroom mold will quickly appear. If you don't take care of it right away, it can become a hard job later on. It will make life a lot easier by giving a regular clean. Aesthetic benefits. Having a clean bathroom can also be important if you have guests. By effective and regular cleaning, you can ensure your bathroom is clean, tidy and welcoming for any guests you want to have over. Preventing damage. Regular cleaning can help identify issues like leaks or mold growth early, preventing more significant damage and costly repairs in the long run. Mental well-being. A tidy and clean bathroom can contribute to a sense of calm and order, positively affecting your mood and mental clarity. A clear bathroom equals a clear mind. Cleaning up and decluttering your bathroom space allows you to clear your mind. In turn, you create an improved and focused headspace. Decluttering can energize you and focus your mind on what matters. Clean and clear surfaces create an easy-to-maintain environment you'll want to escape to. Now you can see what a difference this product made. The sink and faucet are sparkling clean, no more limescale or dirt. So shiny. The next one is the bathtub to clean and shine. Regular cleaning builds good habits. You should aim to clean your bathroom every day, but you'll only need a few minutes. This eliminates several wasted hours or even a day dedicated to cleaning this space. Before stepping out of the shower, dry the screen or area with a squeegee or a cloth. Wipe around the sink after each use. Open the bathroom window every morning. Look around and put things away that don't need to be out on show. Eliminating clutter reduces irritability. A cluttered and messy bathroom can irritate you each time you step into this space. This kind of negative feeling can then often seep into the rest of your day. Clearing this room allows you to address that irritability and work on such emotions. You can also start your day the right way, cool, calm, and collected. A clean bathroom works wonders for well-being. In conclusion, the satisfaction a clean bathroom offers should never be underestimated. With regular cleaning, you can reduce clutter, opening up your bathroom to get the best from this room. Ultimately, you deserve the best bathroom environment, and it doesn't have to be a chore to achieve this. This product really works wonders. It cleans and shines every bathroom surface, and it even maintains it longer with no limescale dirt or bad smell. It's an amazing product, and now I will reveal it. It's an anti-limescale gel for the washing machine. This is the gel that you usually put into your washing machine, but you can totally use it on all bathroom surfaces or stainless steel surfaces. It works amazing. You don't have to use this brand. Any will do because the power of the anti-limescale gel is great. Please try it and let me know in the comments below what do you think about its power. I'm telling you, you will be amazed. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!
Even when my faith is falling